Redmi is back in the spotlight, and this time, it's raising the bar higher than ever with its latest premium mid-range beast, the Redmi Note 15 Pro Plus. At first glance, this phone might look like just another stylish Redmi device, but under the hood, it hides a level of performance and design that could easily rival flagship models. The device boasts a stunning 6.67-inch AMOLED display that offers a crisp 1.5K resolution paired with a silky smooth 120 Hz refresh rate. Whether you're scrolling through social feeds, binge-watching your favorite series, or gaming on high graphics, the visuals are punchy, fluid, and incredibly immersive. Topping it off is the Gorilla Glass Victus 2 protection, guarding the display against everyday mishaps and drops, making it not just beautiful, but also battle-hardened. Now, let's talk performance, and this is where the mystery deepens. Xiaomi hasn't officially confirmed whether the device will pack the Snapdragon 7's Gen 3 or the MediaTek Dimensity 7200, and that uncertainty only adds to the excitement. Both chipsets are known for their efficient performance, excellent thermal management, and top-tier power delivery. Whichever route Redmi takes, users are guaranteed smooth multitasking, stable gaming, and snappy app responses, making this phone a true powerhouse in its price segment. With up to 12 GB of RAM and super-fast storage, lag becomes a thing of the past. But the Redmi Note 15 Pro Plus doesn't stop there. It turns heads with a triple camera setup engineered for creativity and precision. The 50MP primary sensor with optical image stabilization, OIS, captures sharp, noise-free images in any lighting. Meanwhile, the 50MP telephoto lens lets you zoom into the smallest details with confidence, and the 8MP ultra-wide lens ensures that no scenic view is ever left out of frame. From breathtaking landscapes to close-up portraits, every shot feels professional, every detail perfectly preserved. Backing all this tech is a mammoth 6,200 mAh battery, one of the largest in the category, ensuring you go an entire day, or even two, without reaching for a charger. And when you do need to refuel, the 90W fast charging tech comes into play, juicing up the device in minutes and keeping you on the move. This kind of power efficiency makes the Redmi Note 15 Pro Plus ideal for heavy users, gamers, and professionals who rely on all-day performance. The build quality of the Note 15 Pro Plus also screams premium. Crafted with a sleek aluminium frame and rated IP68, IP69K, it resists dust, water, and even high-pressure sprays, something rarely seen at this price point. This is more than just a good-looking phone, it's rugged, refined, and ready for anything life throws at it. The overall aesthetics are further complemented by Redmi's refined industrial design, clean lines, a polished finish, and a sense of minimal elegance that sets it apart from typical mid-range competition. Running the show is Android 14, led with Xiaomi's fresh and powerful HyperOS, which brings new features, enhanced animations, smoother navigation, and improved AI-driven optimizations. From fluid gestures to intelligent power management, every part of the software has been fine-tuned to match the hardware's capability. And yes, it comes loaded with all the essentials: Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.4, and a fast, accurate in-display fingerprint scanner for biometric security that feels seamless. The Redmi Note 15 Pro Plus isn't just a smartphone, it's a statement. A device that combines style, strength, smarts, and suspense in one elegantly engineered package. For those seeking a phone that looks premium, performs like a flagship, and doesn't break the bank, this might just be the ultimate mid-range phone to beat in 2025.